Hello, Radiant Pearl. Today we are going to actually take the time to survey and look at the wonderful printable that you've taken the time to download. And it is none other than the Vision Prayer Journal. And of course, with this Vision Prayer Journal Planner, I wanted to show you different ways that you're able to utilize this resource. So this is your official tutorial. You will see it digitally in action, and then this is the printed copy. So of course, and I'll show you another view on the table as to what it looks like. But just to give you an idea, if you're gonna print it out in the full page, you do have that option. And then you'll see here it is multiple pages. And then if you wanted to actually have it in the A5 size format, then it gives you the option to print it out as though it was an actual booklet, and all the different components there. So for 90 days, you can immerse yourself in having focused prayer and vision as you're making your goal setting and making that a priority. And what I love about this particular size is that it fits perfectly inside of the Radiant Pearl Planner. So for those of you who do have the Radiant Art Journaling and the Radiant Pearl Planner, entire package, bonus package with your songs and times of worship and in the scripture and study, then you will be able to simply print that particular portion of this planner in this size, and then you can just go ahead and punch it and add it in with all of your other beautiful pages and radiant ideas and thoughts and plans, because God has a great hope and future for you. And so you want to start thinking and being focused and intentional in your prayer and your plans and your vision. So all these resources are available to you, and all you have to do is simply print, add them in, start recording, and I'm going to show you on the screen exactly what you need to be looking for as you're going through your 90 days of being intentional in planning and having that vision for your life and for your future. So here's a look at the printable in various sizes and formats. This is the A5 size up close. You'll see there that as I was showing you earlier, it's laid out perfectly for you to place in your planner, in the disc-bound planner there. And of course, this is a physical planner. And then you have also the full binder actual size that you can print out on your 8.5 by 11 sheet. So just showing you all the pages that you get in this marvelous printable, from the 12-week to the 3 months to the 1 week to 1 day. So we're just breaking it down piece by piece so that it's manageable for you to be able to have an action plan and work towards your goals in prayer and your vision that you have really laid out to the Lord each and every day, being very intentional in that preparation, and then taking time to review as you've taken the time out to record all the things that you are hoping and praying to the Lord for to become a reality. So that's the Vision Prayer Journal Planner. So now to look at the digital format, we are going to get an up-close look at what is on each page. This 3-month prayer journal planner is about identifying specific prayer points you want to bring before the Lord specifically and purposefully with focused time in prayer and study. You're going to elevate your faith as you apply scripture and answer these questions each day, each week. You see, you have the My 12-Week Prayer Plan, and you are going for a specific target. You're being very specific in your prayers each week, and then you are breaking it down with your key important points and dates that you want to bear in mind, and just being very intentional each and every day, recording the time and setting aside time
precious time to really delve deep in what it is that you are seeking after, so that the Lord can fulfill His plan for your life. And then you want to review, what are you most grateful for? You're able to rejoice in what the Lord has done. What did you discover during your time in prayer and study? And so much more.